Welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to give you an assignment, and in this assignment, you have to make an image slider, and you have to utilize your jQuery knowledge to make this assignment. So let me first show you that how an image slider looks like. Image slider is basically a collection of images, and you can move between those images by clicking on a next or a previous button. So let me execute my program. Let me refresh it. Now I have two buttons here. One is the previous and one is the next. So when I click on the next button, the image should change. Then again I'm going to click on the next button. Then again, once again. And now if I click on the next button, nothing will happen because I have already reached at the end of the image slider. Now I can only go back. So I will click on the previous. So again previous. So keep clicking on the previous and see, this is the first image. Now if I click on the previous button, nothing will happen because I have reached at the beginning of the image slider. So this is about image slider. So you have to utilize your knowledge and you have to make it. So before you start making it, I just want to give you an clue what is required to make this assignment. To make this assignment, what is needed? Let me tell you. First thing is, number one, you should have an idea about click event. You should have knowledge of arrays, and you must know that how attribute method works. And then you should have a knowledge of JavaScript if statement. So if you do not have any idea about JavaScript if statement, then I have mentioned the syntax here. So it is a very simple if statement. So you can write if condition, and if this condition is true, then the true block will execute, and if your condition is false, then the false block will execute. So this is the clue uh, to make a image slider. So good luck and start working on it. So I will explain the solution in the next lecture.